Poverty isn't just about having no money. It's a cycle that feels impossible to escape. The bills pile up, unexpected expenses hit, and no matter how hard you work, the money disappears too fast. If you've ever felt like you're stuck in survival mode, you're not alone. But here's something powerful. You don't need to be rich to start changing your life. Small money habits, like saving tiny amounts, planning your spending, and making better financial choices, can slowly break the cycle. It's not about making big, overwhelming changes overnight. It's about small wins that add up over time. Imagine saving just $1 every time you buy something, or setting aside $5 a week. It seems small, but over time, these small moves grow into real financial power. This video will show you how simple habits, saving, budgeting, and money management can help you beat poverty for good. Number 1. The hidden cost of being poor. Why the system feels rigged. Being poor is expensive. That sounds strange, but it's true. When you don't have money, everything costs more. Think about it. If you don't have savings, one emergency, like a broken car or a hospital bill, can force you to borrow money. But loans for poor people often come with high interest rates. A $500 payday loan can turn into $800 in a few months. Wealthy people get low-interest loans, but poor people pay more just to borrow the same money. Even everyday expenses cost more. If you can't afford to buy in bulk, you pay higher prices for food. If your credit score is low, landlords charge higher rent. If you don't have a car, public transport takes longer and limits job choices. There's also stress. Always worrying about money makes it hard to think clearly, leading to quick, desperate decisions. This cycle keeps people trapped. But here's the truth. While the system is tough, small financial changes can give you more control. The first step, learning how to make money work for you, instead of feeling like it's working against you. Let's break the cycle, starting now. Number 2. The first step, rewriting the money mindset. Money is a tool, not a goal. Most people think money is the goal. They dream of being rich, buying fancy things, and never worrying about bills. But here's the truth. Money is not the goal. Money is a tool. Just like a hammer helps you build a house, money helps you build the life you want. The problem is, when you grow up struggling with money, your brain learns to think in survival mode. You focus on today, paying rent, buying food, covering bills. It's hard to think about the future when you're just trying to get by. This mindset keeps people trapped. To escape, you need a money identity shift. Stop saying, "I'm broke." Start saying, "I'm learning to manage money better." The way you talk about money shapes how you handle it. Rich people don't just make more money. They think differently about money. They see it as a tool to grow, invest, and create opportunities. They don't spend to impress people. They spend to build wealth. Here's your first step. Instead of asking, "How much can I spend?" start asking, "How can I make my money work for me?" This one shift will change everything. Number 3. The $1 strategy. How microsaving hacks change everything. Many people think saving money is only for the rich. They believe they need to make more before they can start. But that's not true. You don't need a lot of money to start saving. You just need a system. The $1 rule. Every time you buy something, save just $1. Bought coffee? Move $1 to savings. Got groceries? Save another $1. Over time, these small amounts add up without you even noticing. If you can't save $1 every time, try the roundup trick. Some banks and apps, like Acorns or Chime, round up your purchases and save the spare change. Buy something for $4.75. The app rounds it to $5 and puts 25 cents into savings. It feels like nothing, but after a year, you could have hundreds of dollars saved without effort. Saving isn't about huge sacrifices. It's about building momentum. Once you see even $50 in savings, your brain starts to believe it's possible. From there, saving becomes a habit. Money success isn't about making big moves all at once. It's about small wins that grow over time. Number 4. Budgeting without feeling poor. The freedom budget. Most people think budgeting means cutting out all the fun and living on the bare minimum. That's why many people avoid it. It feels like a punishment, like telling yourself you can never have nice things. But the truth is, a budget isn't about restriction. It's about giving every dollar a purpose. Instead of focusing on what you can't spend, think of a budget as a way to fund your freedom. A smart budget helps you cover your needs, build your future, and still enjoy life. It's not about saying no to everything. It's about choosing where your money goes so you can say yes to what truly matters. Some money goes toward essentials like rent, food, and bills. Some money is set aside for your future, whether that's savings, investments, or paying off debt. And some money is meant for enjoying life, whether it's hobbies, travel, or personal growth. When you balance these three areas, budgeting doesn't feel like a trap. It feels like a roadmap to financial freedom. The secret to winning with money isn't earning more. It's learning how to control the money you already have. When you budget with purpose, your money starts working for you, not against you. Number 5, the power of invisible money, hiding your savings from yourself. Most people spend what they see. If money is sitting in their main bank account, it feels available and they end up using it. That's why saving money can be so hard. It's too easy to spend. The trick? Make your savings invisible so you don't even think about spending it. One simple way is to open a separate savings account at a different bank, one that doesn't have a debit card or easy access. When money is out of sight, it's out of mind. Setting up an automatic transfer right after payday makes this even easier. If the money moves into savings before you see it, you won't miss it. Over time, your savings grow without effort. Another way to hide money from yourself is using financial apps that round up your spare change and invest it. You don't feel the small amounts leaving, but over time, they add up. This works because your brain doesn't register tiny withdrawals, yet they silently build your financial cushion. The key to saving isn't willpower. It's creating a system where you don't have to think about it. When your savings are hidden, you protect them from impulse spending, and your future self will thank you. Number 6, turning small money into big money, the wealth snowball. Many people believe they need a big income to build wealth, but the truth is, wealth starts small. It's not about how much money you make, it's about what you do with the money you already have. The key is creating a wealth snowball, small amounts that grow over time. Think of a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it's tiny, but as it moves, it picks up more snow and grows bigger and faster. Money works the same way. If you start investing just $5 a day into an index fund, that small amount can turn into over $150,000 in 30 years. It's not magic, it's compound interest, and it's how the rich get richer. The earlier you start, the less you need to invest, because time does the hard work for you. One of the biggest traps keeping people poor is aspirational spending, buying things to look successful instead of actually building wealth. Instead of spending on status, focus on buying freedom. Every dollar you save and invest today buys you time and choices in the future. Money doesn't grow by accident. It grows when you give it a job. Start treating your money like an employee. Send it to work for you in savings accounts, investments, and high-interest accounts. Even if it's just a few dollars at first, those small amounts build momentum. The secret to wealth isn't in big leaps. It's in small, smart moves repeated over time. Number 7. Escape plan. How to break the poverty cycle for good. Escaping poverty isn't just about earning more money. It's about changing the way you handle money so you can keep more of it and make it grow. Many people make the mistake of focusing only on making money, but never learning how to manage it. This is why even those who get better jobs or sudden windfalls often end up struggling again. The key is to create a financial system that keeps you secure no matter what happens. The first step is building a small emergency fund, even if it's just a few $100s. This prevents you from falling back into debt when unexpected expenses pop up. Once you have a cushion, focus on getting rid of high-interest debt, especially payday loans and credit card balances. The less money you lose to interest, the faster you can build wealth. At the same time, start creating a second income stream. It could be a small side hustle, freelancing, or learning a skill that increases your earning power. When you rely on only one source of income, you're always one step away from financial trouble. Breaking the poverty cycle isn't about luck or waiting for the perfect opportunity. It's about making small, smart choices every day. The moment you take control of your money, you take control of your future. Money isn't just about numbers. It's about habits, mindset, and small daily choices. Many people believe they need a big break or a higher income to escape poverty. But the truth is, financial freedom starts with small, consistent steps. These actions may feel small at first, but over time, they turn into powerful financial security. The system may be tough, but you have more control than you think. Every small decision you make today shapes your future. The key isn't to wait until you have more, it's to start using what you have wisely. Your journey to wealth starts now, one step at a time. The game of money is winnable, and you can win it. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, Please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.